Glendale Water and Power is always looking for ways to help customers be efficient with their water and electricity usage. Our new Smart Home Upgrade program will help you do just that. The Smart Home Upgrade program helps residential customers save energy and water through a home survey and the installation of conservation devices that are installed by our contractor for free. Here's how the Smart Home Upgrade program works. Residents interested in participating in the program call to schedule a visit from a certified GWP contractor specializing in energy efficiency. The contractor will visit your home and conduct an energy and water survey to help identify potential energy and water efficiency upgrades. A short report is then generated, listing recommended retrofits with anticipated energy and water savings. The contractor will then install selected energy and water efficiency measures at no cost to the customer. These upgrades may include LED light bulbs, motion sensors, faucet aerators, shower heads, and sprinkler replacements. Glendale Water and Power can help you conserve and save on your utility bills through this hassle-free program. Scheduling an appointment is as easy as calling 1-800-263-9313.